Find two black electric wire connected with the motor. And catch them. Wipe the head of green line with electrical tape. Find these two electrical wire connected with the on and off switch. The green wire and the black and cut off these two electric wire. Remove the 4 screws of motor box. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 screws. And then take off the motor box with the motor. Take off this whole part and replace with the brushless motor and box. And fix it with the 4 screws. Find these 3 electric wires of the brushless motor and connect with the green electric wire of the machine. Take off the panel. 你看啊，你再重来。And remove the 4 screws of the security board. And take off the board. And then put back the security board.